If you think Viagra is the only solution for ED, think again. Doctors are shocked by what these new gels can do, and it's changing men's lives overnight, and most men have no idea this exists. Listen, ED isn't just about age, it's not just stress, it's not just performance anxiety. It's your blood flow, hormones, and even your diet, and the wrong solution can actually make it worse. Viagra has dominated the market for decades, right? But now top doctors are seeing a new competitor. ED gels like Eroxon. So, which one actually works better? Pills or gels? And which one is your doctor not telling you about? Let's break it down. First up, speed and effect. Viagra usually takes 30 to 60 minutes before you even feel a difference. But these new ED gels, some men are reporting rock-hard results in just 5 to 15 minutes, way before the pill would even start working. That's because gels work locally, right on the blood vessels where you need it, not all over your body. That means faster results and less risk of those dreaded side effects. Speaking of side effects, let's compare. With Viagra, you're looking at headaches, flushing, even drops in blood pressure. But with ED gels, the most common issue is mild skin irritation, no major blood pressure risk, and none of those scary heart warnings. Imagine better erections, without the headaches or heart risks. Now, long-term use. Doctors have started to notice something big. Viagra isn't really safe for daily use. There's a limit to how much your body can handle. But these new gels, you can use them more flexibly, even daily if needed, with barely any impact on your liver or heart. This is why men over 40 are switching, and their doctors are quietly recommending it. Don't just take it from me. Dr. Smith, a top urologist, says, the gels work faster with fewer side effects, and many men report higher satisfaction than pills. Dr. Lee, a sexual health specialist, adds, Viagra is safe but traditional. New gels give men control over timing and intensity. Doctors aren't pushing this publicly, but the results speak for themselves. So which should you choose? Pills or gels? If you're still stuck on Viagra alone, you might be missing the faster, safer, more effective solution. Subscribe to Health Prism for honest men's health truth, ED solutions, and doctor-backed reviews.